Hey there, traders. Welcome back to the Ticks and Trades channel and another daily E-mini futures trading recap. I'm Sam Morton, and my goal is to deliver all the stuff without any fluff. So what is exactly that we do here? We identify levels in the SPY before the opening bell each morning, and we use those levels to trade against in the S&P 500 E-mini futures, which is the symbol ES. The levels you see in front of you here are good for today, July 23, 2024. It's about 16 minutes after 8 a.m. Eastern currently. The opening bell is in more than an hour from now. After the market closes this afternoon, I'll come back to this same chart and we'll talk about any trades that may have resulted from these levels. No matter what happens, you'll see the result. All trades taken at these levels per the dictates of the strategy I've developed will be covered. So this way you will see everything, the good, the bad, and the ugly. With all this data laid out on the table, you'll see that over time, this trading approach is consistently profitable. You're welcome to look at any of these daily recap videos, and you'll see that this approach is the same with each one. The daily levels work to produce profitable trades the clear majority of the time. I will talk some more after the market closes this afternoon. And we're back. It's almost 6 p.m. Pretty easy to see what happened. Two levels were hit, two trades. Need I say more? I'll adjust the chart and we'll talk about it a little bit though. Here are the levels adjusted, just bringing it down 5 cents toward price. I had the 5-cent buffer. So the first trade inside the green circle was there, convergence of price and time. And the next trade was down here at 554.70, added 5 cents to this. So two levels worked all day, but would not have traded this again. They worked, but that's just not how I do it. But there's no reason you couldn't have made money. If you made money, actually, leave a comment. I'm curious to see how things are happening with those who have the levels from the morning. If you're experimenting with them or actually trading real money, but you should start to trust these levels. It's pretty clear they work the majority of the time. Here is how I traded the levels. You can see it's 10:06 a.m. at the point when I started taking some screenshots before they got to the level up here. 556.25. Start playing this and you'll see them come up. Took one contract off at 6 points, trailed the other one, but ended up giving back a tick or so. Then let me just pause this because I just want to mention here that it would be nice if I had a little bit bigger trailer than like a 7-point trailer or whatever I had, because they did come down, but sometimes it happens. You'll notice a lot of times that I'll put a trailer that exceeds my points that I got by a point or two. In other words, if I got 6 points, I want a trailer of 7. So I know I'm going to be out of the money a little bit, but it just gives me a little bit more leash on that trade, if that makes sense. Here's the next trade. I just got the base hit on 4 points, and it went higher and could have got more, but it's nothing. There's no problem, no shame in getting a base hit on these trades. This first tracking log, the SPY tracker, is playing by the rules. Two levels were hit, and if you just treated them like a normal level and got 4 points each, that would have given you 8 points. Two trades, two levels, 4 points each. What I did today was an example of a little bit less because I tried to trail and ended up stopping out with a little bit of loss. So net 2 3/4 points with the first contract, and I got a base hit on the second. So 675 with my totals instead of 800, but not complaining. So here are the two logs, and you can examine the averages and the percentages over time. That's pretty much it for today. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this helpful, I'd appreciate it if you supported the channel. Hit that like button and subscribe. You'll get more of these every day. The market is open. We'll be back at it tomorrow with fresh levels before the opening bell. Thank you. Have a great rest of your day.